Many people will chow down a hamburger and french fries or a bowl of ice cream loaded with artificial ingredients without questioning the safety, without ever turning over the carton to check the ingredients. They'll spray toxic chemicals on their counters and a few minutes later slice their apple on the same counter, even though it still smells like chemicals, and they'll never ask, is it safe? Start talking about all natural essential oils and red flags go up everywhere. Are they safe? And it really is a fair question. But in general, the answer is yes. According to JAMA, in a 2-year period, there were over 200,000 deaths due to FDA-approved prescription medications, but 0 due to essential oil use. And believe it or not, essential oils are even safer than selfies. In that same 2-year period, according to the UK Telegraph, 127 people died from taking selfies in that same 2-year period. Again, essential oil deaths, 0. However, there are definitely some safety protocols to consider when using essential oils. Many essential oils are just not safe because they contain pesticides, herbicides, and toxic chemical solvents like hexane. In order to label an essential oil therapeutic grade, it only needs to contain 5% essential oils. And some companies just use the trash water left over after distillation, add a carrier oil, and call it therapeutic. These are the oils that are toxic to your people and to your pets. You'll want to avoid these oils at all costs. On the other hand, Young Living essential oils are perfectly pure and chemical free, and they're highly concentrated, which means a little goes a long way. That's one of the reasons why you need to take some precautions. It takes 27 square feet of lavender plants to make one 15 milliliter bottle of Young Living's therapeutic grade lavender oil. The power of 75 lemons goes into one 15 milliliter bottle of Young Living's lemon essential oil. And their peppermint is so potent that one drop is as strong as 26 cups of peppermint tea. Because of the high potency, more is not usually better with essential oils. Each application can be as little as 1 drop. That's a potential of 250 applications. And since essential oils are highly concentrated, remember it takes 75 lemons to produce a 15 milliliter bottle of Young Living's essential oils, so also the pesticide load will be concentrated if you're not using oils that are safe like Young Living. You'd actually be getting the toxic pesticides from 75 lemons, not just 1. This goes for diffusing and topical application as well. They all end up in the same place in your body. Because we want to pursue chronic wellness, we want to get the toxins out, not put them in. Just be sure that you know the oils that you're using are toxin-free and totally safe. Using Young Living essential oils with their seed to seal promise is the safest way. But here are some other safety protocols to consider. I've got a list of 12 important precautions to be aware of with essential oils. 1. Some oils, particularly citrus, things like lemon, lime, tangerine, they cause photosensitivity. This means that you shouldn't apply these oils before you go out into the sun. You could blister up and be in some pain. 2. Don't take oils internally unless it's a vitality line by Young Living, or it is generally regarded as safe. Young Living, as mentioned before, has created a vitality line so you know exactly which oils are safe to take internally. Number 3, don't take oils internally unless you know they are pure and unadulterated. 4, don't use oils in or near your eyes, inside your ears, or in other delicate areas. 5, don't ingest large amounts of essential oils, even if they are regarded as safe. 6, always test your skin for sensitivity before slathering oils on your body. When in doubt, dilute with a carrier oil. I'll share more about what carrier oils are in a minute. You always dilute oils when you use them on seniors, pets, and children. Number 9, if you get some oil in your eye, it'll hurt, but it shouldn't cause permanent damage. Just dilute it with a few drops of carrier oil and you should be good to go. Don't use water. Oil and water do not mix. Number 10, oils with high phenol content, also called hot oils, like oregano, cinnamon, and clove, they can cause warmth, redness, or discomfort on your skin, and they should only be used diluted with a carrier oil. Alternately, they can be applied neat on the bottom of your feet. Number 11, if you're going to use oils in the bath, they should first be poured on some Epsom salt so they don't just float to the top and dissipate or make direct contact with your skin in high concentrations. 12, pregnant and breastfeeding women should consult their healthcare professional before using essential oils such as clary sage, Idaho, tansy, juniper and fennel, or any other oil that has hormone-like properties. Remember, essential oils are just one tool in your chronic wellness toolbox that can support your body's natural functions and optimize health and wellness. Other tools include proper sleep, safe sunshine, regular exercise, a whole food diet rich in raw and cooked organic vegetables, void of GMOs and highly processed foods, and as chemical-free as possible. So quickly, what are carrier oils? A carrier oil is simply a fatty oil like olive or coconut that can dilute essential oils. Young Living produces their own carrier oil, which is called V6. It's a combination of 6 different oils: fractionated coconut oil, grapeseed oil, sweet almond oil, wheat germ oil, which contains a lot of vitamin E, sunflower oil, and olive oil. If you do use your essential oils neat or undiluted, keep a carrier oil nearby in case you have a reaction. You can actually just rub the carrier oil directly on the skin to dilute the essential oils. Using a carrier oil doesn't reduce the effects of essential oils, it just spreads its love further and it protects sensitive skin. You can also dilute essential oils that you take internally by adding a food-grade carrier oil to a gelatin capsule mixed with essential oils of your choice. Okay, that wraps up safety in oils. There may be some other safety protocols out there. This is just an introduction. In our next video, we're going to talk about pets and oils. I know some of you have been waiting for this topic. We're even going to have a special cameo appearance from my baby cat, Tiger Lily Jedediah. So be looking forward to the next video. Hey, I know you've got a friend out there who would love to learn about essential oils. I invite you to share with them. This class is laid back and it's free, and it's always fun to learn with a friend.